Hi, my name is Benji. I shall be presenting to you the continuation of our reading on the 5 massage strokes, variations, and subvariations, ang 5 uri ng paghagod, pagkaplos sa pagmamasahe, presented both in English and Filipino. Today, we shall be tackling the second stroke, which is pétrissage. Pétrissage from the French word pétrir, which means to knead. Kneading cycle of rhythmic lifting, squeezing, and releasing of tissues. Paulit-ulit na pagmamasa na maindayog na pag-angat at pagpisil at pagbitaw sa tissue. Variation. One-handed. Simple clam squeeze o simpleng pagpisil. Two-handed o dalawang kamay. The subvariation is praying hands, finger interlaced, palm squeezing upward. Kamay na nagdadasal, mga daliring magkasalabat, palad na pataas ang pagpiga. 2. Ocean waves o mga alon ng dagat. Gliding hands in opposite directions with compression. Paghagod ng mga kamay na magkasulungat ang direksyon na may kasamang pagpiga. The third variation is alternate hand o magkakahaliling kamay. Grasp and release alternately, magkahaliling pagdakma at pagbitaw. Number 4, falling or paghahatak. Palm or thumb pressure separating while moving forward. Pwersa ng palad o hinlalaki na naghihiwalay habang gumagalaw pasulong. Number 5, skin rolling, gumugulong na tabalat. Lifting skin and superficial fascia, no downward force involved. Itinataas na balat at pang-ibabaw na balot ng laman, walang sangkot na pababang lakas. That ends the presentation on pétrissage.